Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video, YouTube to pilot testing shopping from in live streaming with select creators. Image creator touch crash. YouTube will be bring to plot testing and new features that will allow viewers to shop for product directly from live streams videos. The future will industry launch new just handful of create brands. The company say and expectation for integrated shipping experience YouTube bank beta testing early that years. The future was displayed online a demand video and allow viewers to tip into creativity and knowledge interesting create orders make informed purchase. Company explained I said works to more creator course of 2021. More recently, YouTube tested live streaming shopping with a one-day shopping event for small business. YouTube video platform in 4 years has been powerful tools. Product discovery is more than 2 billion login of user per month touch to service to watch product reviews, demos, unboxing, shopping, and other content. The code inspection feature purchase, but creator who went see their YouTube video would often promote affiliate links to online store. Target the video description and video elements like cards, screen watermark to hosting new live stream shopping event on TikTok following successful plot. In more recent years, YouTube also introduced a merchandise shelves his would allow viewers to shop set special product. The create selected shopping experience allow viewers to shop product show video tips viewers product button rank for futures. Image create this feature allow YouTube viral complaint grow numbers of video shopping experience because available from startup complete introduction Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pants, Amazon, Snapchat. My industry support live streaming videos over the past year explained startups like Bumpus, Fopes, Live, Tricks, Watermarks, other recent round recently launched live shopping Friday and test living with fashion in space. The watermark with TikTok on live stream shopping event multi access YouTube owner interest. The space has been heating up to will just this week. Company around it was equal India video shopping app similar in introduction. Google interest feature video shopping experience into owner platform. Google also video shopping into this in shopping product. Google servers in area 120. The explains YouTube video shopping experience was around today's other new shopping feature. The tab which free merchandise full of the list 5 tips brand to successful a new area in marketing. African Tech Tools Center degree in 2021. Always action is Colba with the high profitable visits for most, but the amount of did in excellent jobs, lowering experience investment active and local international investors shoot down. It was the great years in African and establishing new entering 2021 business action drive people adopt new habits e-commerce visitor capital investment in African what is record years of funding without some according to United States of company value of $1 billion address section covered coverage in areas. It is a similar case with a pet payment company, stock marketing, affiliate sold, going public, technical was unquiet, content and five more than force only take multiple areas, go traverse and $1 billion of pay in August 2 billions we in debt the following month 1.67 billions and 1.5 billion respected September 1.5 billions valuation cheap cash in numbers it $2 billion is so unique between 2019 and 2021 worth of 1 billions a capital restoration numbers of contract more explained formation international investor partnership for spreading for interest investor prehang VC from target Golba at investment firms and target Golba at yearly in grow strategy target invested in both series in rounded details indexed for long time and but then speeding pictures and visitor with large population and impressed GDP per capita the North African countries reside almost $600 million this year. How to African established risk and invest in 2022 The capital African disease countries grow around it. South African sign in for new listed daily weekly reviews. Subscribe link. The leader before state press Coco Network launched new customer gold business in Kenya. We needed to pay more attention to edge tech. Daily Crusher a published rounded future articles founded it first capital partner bring a defense approach to investing. DeFi and future programmable monies. Daily Crusher back course review suspend and CEO designation improvement. Paid to partner to make electrical more than like subscribe for that.